You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and today it's the SpongeBob SquarePants Monopoly. Yes, what a cool addition to have. The top eyeballs are lenticular. This is from 2005. Now, let me do this. Let me just show you the box top, and then I'll take all the components out and show you the bottom. But here's his lenticular eyes. Look, his eyeballs go from one to the other. Here, SpongeBob. Check those eyes out, huh? There's one set of eyes, and then the moving eyes there. Pretty neat. Nothing on the inside cover, but here's how they made it. There's like a screen, like a plastic lenticular piece that's glued in, and then there's holes cut into the top of the box. So, as you can see, we have it all here. So let me break away, set this all up, and then I'll show you all the pieces. All right? All right, took a little time there to set it all up. You've got 12 of the Krusty Krabs. You got 32 of the pineapples. These are the houses. You got 6 character pieces, 1 token piece. We'll show you that later. 16 life preserver, 16 treasure chest, and then we have all of the cards here for the different properties. You got stuff like Bikini Bottom Bike Tours, Bikini Bottom Water. Those are utilities. You've got SpongeBob's Pineapple Deed. You've got Krusty Krab Deed, the Chum Bucket Deed, the Plankton's Lab, Sandy's Treat Home, Squidward's Island, and the money itself. Got Mr. Krabs on all the money, of course, why not? So cool denominations there, pretty standard. We got it set up for standard Monopoly. There's a cool insert too inside the box. You know, maybe let me do this. The characters are cool, but they have a nice picture on the box bottom. Let me show you that. So that's what they look like. There's Plankton's special token. Well, let me hold one up here. Let's get SpongeBob, huh? Don't know if the camera's going to focus with everything in the background. So pretty neat. They're a pewter, like a metal material. They do say if they bend a little, you can bend them back into shape. And the dice are blue, which is neat, kind of like water. There's also a nice tray inside for holding all the money and cards. That pretty much covers it. You know how to play Monopoly. Don't need to show you that. Show you the game board. It's really cool. What a cool game. Hey, thanks for spending time with Lucky Penny Shop. Subscribe, hang out, leave us a comment. Later. Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.